How to book Grab 6-seater car. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to book Grab 6-seater car. First of all, open up the Grab application. Once you get into its app, tap on the car option from the top bar of the home page. Then choose the location where you want to go. Select the location directly from the map. After choosing your pickup and destination location, swipe up the drop-down menu of rides. Then, from here, select the Grab 6-seater car. After selecting the 6-seater car, simply click to book the ride. To book the Grab, simply click on the Book Grab Car 6-seater button. Also, check out our video on how to change Grab location. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.